This man taught the world to look beyond appearances without ever holding political power. If he had never lived, the foundations of philosophy, education, and moral reasoning would be entirely different. One thinker built a school that shaped generations of leaders, thinkers, and visionaries. Meet Plato, the philosopher who turned questions into a lifelong pursuit of truth. He believed that the visible world is only a shadow of deeper realities, and that understanding these eternal truths is the path to wisdom, justice, and a meaningful life. Plato was born in 428 BCE in Athens, Greece, into a wealthy and politically active family. Growing up during a time of political unrest, he developed a fascination with ethics, justice, and the nature of reality. As a devoted student of Socrates, he learned the importance of critical thinking, dialogue, and moral reflection. Witnessing Socrates' trial and execution profoundly shaped his belief that philosophy and moral courage are essential for a just society. Plato founded the Academy in Athens, the first formal institution of higher learning in the Western world. Through dialogues and written works, he explored ethics, politics, governance, metaphysics, and the theory of forms, proposing that true knowledge lies beyond the physical world. His teachings influenced generations, including his most famous student, Aristotle, who carried his ideas forward and expanded the foundations of science and philosophy. Plato's philosophy was not only about ideas, but about life itself, teaching that wisdom, virtue, and reflection are keys to personal and societal excellence. Plato's legacy reminds us that truth exists beyond appearances and that a reflective life shapes character and society. So here the real question: are you seeking the deeper truths behind what you see every day? Are you questioning your own assumptions, or accepting things at face value? How are you cultivating wisdom and virtue in your own life, as Plato believed is the measure of true excellence?